I got your mid and I got your cave. Ako bahala dito.
I'm not pushing,
not
okay?
I'm not
Magabang lang
pushing
ako.
either. I'm not
I'm just
pushing.
gonna be I'll just be on the table.
Yeah, yeah.
I'll
Ako rin.
just be on table, Jay.
Abang arrow lang ako. Go boy.
See, I got bottom and wall.
One through a flash on B.
Okay.
One B, one B. There.
Got one. One more, top, up, top. He pushed out.
I'm pushing. Bomb down B itself.
One up top, he pushed back snow rocks, boys. Bomb down B, bomb down B. Ayun, nakita mo, Jay. He saw you, okay?
Teka. Fuck.
Ooh, that nade, boy.
Approaching PONR. Finish this.
This is a mid. My god.
Kill
choke.
that. Push him.
puta, katabi ko. Oh my God,
Push
katabi ko.
him. Oh, God.
Sorry for yourself.
Choke.
You're fucking freaking out so much, dude.
Shit.
Relax, man. You choke your shot so bad on this
Choke.
one.
Yeah, choke. My god. Hindi pa siya nakatingin. Dapat pinatay ko na eh. Shit.
Switching sides.
I'll make it up. Let's go, boys.
Push.
Jason, how do you want to push?
Eliminate the objective.
I don't know.
Chuchu train, samahan.
A tayo.
A, tara.
Go. A.
A. I got your right side. Push, Jay, push. Let's push top, Jay.
That one.
I'm gonna push top.
I'm on A right now. Oh, he's a back. Yeah, bottom. Saan na siya, man? Nasaan doon lang siya, oh. One more. To your left.
Oh, he went out. Labas, po.
Kill that. Oh, my God.
Maintain your momentum in the next round.
Nakain ng bala si Gago, bro. You saw that? Look at this, Jay.
You are last combat asset. Complete the mission.
Ay, motherfucking bala, bro.
Kasi hip fire eh. Hip fire lang ginawa.
Switching sides.
So, tata ng poly, mintala kayong ka-MX swimming lang ano.
Okay, I got your
In hotel?
mid cave.
I'm pushing out this time.
Sige.
Sa baba?
Yeah, bede. Yeah.
Sige.
Sige, silip din ako sa'yo. Top, one top bunker. One throw flash on B.
Save ka lang dyan, Pog. Save ka lang dyan.
Yeah, I'm not pushing out no more. I'm hiding. Good
One
luck.
shot.
Asan?
Creek.
Is he in your
Push
base?
back. I creek.
Okay.
No, a creek.
Sige.
Cut ng snow rocks, man.
Okay lang.
One shot siya, bro.
Going mid. One mid.
Sniper
I'm
mid.
pushing back in. No, my God, he still got me.
He's one shot mid. Jay, sniper mid bunker. I'm coming to you, Jay.
Oh my God.
Fuck,
He's fucking one shot.
move.
Yeah.
Fight for the win.
I'm a slay.
Damn, 3 hit
You're
mark.
lagging.
MTL exhausted. End this now.
Going B, man. Punta ka sa bunker.
Puta ko sila.
Oh, I should've went bunker.
Online.
Oh, hey, diffuse mo. Oh, he's glitching it.
What?
We lost that engagement.
Fuck, man.
Group and go again.
Go. Turn up.
Wag tayo magano.
My God.
These kids eat bullets on their fucking holes.
Si Evo ang
dude.
kumakain ng bala, man. I noticed. Motherfucking Evo. Nigga. Evo lang gumagawa lahat
Switching
eh.
sides.
Okay, let's contain Evo, bro. How do we contain him?
Sige.
Push him mid.
Mid. Jay, let's go.
The objective.
Sige.
Watch my left.
Oh, don't
Ako
bump
na bahala
me.
sabi nyo.
I'm stunning B right now.
Sniper B.
He's stunned. He's stunned.
He's weak.
He ran away. I'm
Not here.
dropping.
Go.
watch the middle.
Watch the front.
Yeah, there you go.
Watch that bunker, dude.
Charges.
Ikaw rin dyan sa harap ah. Me and you, Jay.
Sirip ka dyan ha. Pog, I got this side.
One through a
Bunker,
flash.
bunker, bunker, bunker! Bunker mid, bunker mid, bunker mid, bunker mid!
Dead, dead. One more bunker. One more mid. Stay there, stay there.
Watching it.
Ayan o, ew.
Last guy, last guy.
Pushing back, Pog. I'm pushing back.
Back to back tayo. He's mid, he's mid. Fucking choke, choke,
Mid,
choke,
he's one
choke.
shot, he's one shot. Pumunta sa loob ng bahay.
Nice, nice.
Shit.
Crushed them. Maintain your
Ba't ako nag-switch
momentum in
ng
the
gun?
next round.
Oh my god. Sorry boys, sorry. Good pickup, Jason.
Why do you always do that? Stop doing that, man. Alam mo nang wala kang Vesper, man.
Hindi,
Or
meron
did
akong
you
Vesper.
have one?
Meron akong Vesper.
Okay.
Switching sides.
Tagal na kasi ako hindi naglalaro eh.
Ah, ah.
Got your mid.
Protect the
Hindi ako
objective.
mag-challenge, hindi ako mag-challenge. The usual.
Merong isa, they saw me. I'm pushing
One
back
through a
in.
flash on B.
One guy's no rocks, okay? One guy's no rocks. Tataas ka, Jay, di ba?
Oo.
Okay.
Oh shit, meron sa bunker. Nakita niya ako.
Ako
man.
yun. Okay. Got
Oh,
one. Let's
oh,
go,
shit.
boys!
Last two guys.
I got away. Okay, I got
Dead,
away.
last guy, last guy. Last guy, nasa A.
Last guy's
A
no
side.
rocks. Last guy
Yeah.
in a bedroom. Yeah, he
Yeah.
was in bedroom. He was shooting Jay.
Yeah,
Lock him in.
Hindi ko alam kung nasa siya
Lock him
ngayon.
in.
Hindi ko alam kung
I'm a
nasa
check
siya
bomb,
ngayon.
I'm a check bomb. Nothing.
Here! Fuck out of here.
Bar ako, man.
Si fucking
Fucking
Evo,
again,
man.
let's
Oh
go
shit, nagpo one bar si Jay. JJ question.
Oh.
Di mo ba nasusubukan yung ginagawa ni Mark? Yung extender, yung wifi
Okay.
nakaka-connect?
Switching sides.
Oh, mahina yun.
Hindi, pero bukas, babalik ako sa Neo bukas eh.
Oh, oh yeah!
Neutralize the objective.
Ayun
Pero
Wala nga
hanggang
rin AR,
February
dude.
5.
Bukas,
Hanggang
Jay,
February
Jay.
5 lang. Pwede.
B push ako. Sniper! Flash! Somebody flash him.
I can't. I don't have stuns.
Me
Pick-
neither.
pick muna
Wala
tayo,
akong
pick.
chance, bro.
Wanna push this
Sniper still there, di ba?
Yeah, yeah.
Watch the back. Watch the back.
hindi
Watch the
ko
back. Pog, watch the back, Pog.
Okay, you good? I'm gonna push B.
Dito ako sa cave ah. Wala akong nakikita
Go, go.
dito sa cave.
Be
Ano
advised.
si-
Hostile HCXD spotted.
Pop that.
Alright, she's going mid. I'm dead. He's inside. He's inside on the couches. One guy in couches. You know.
One shot si Evo sa
Oh, you're
loob.
choking shots, B.
Yeah. Let's go, Jay. Let's push him.
One guy in their back of their spawn.
Hey,
Alright,
one
one guy
in, one
inside.
in.
One guy inside. Meron sa loob, ah. One mansion.
Approaching.
Both on bomb. Both on bomb. Trade it.
Lumabas siya!
Oh my god, you're so on fucking fire. He went inside mansion, man.
Bumulag siya sa loob.
The bomb has been planted.
Push ko na tong gagal to. Fuck you. Kumakain ng bala, man.
Wala.
Damn.
Fucking RC got me, man.
God, I fucking
Yan,
him.
dapat yun na lang pinatay ko, no?
Bomb deactivated.
Fuck you, Evo.
Quit feeling
Fucking
sorry
bitch.
for yourself. There's more work to
Oh good, man. Dude, kill that kid, man. We win this fucking round. It's easy.
Bagal lang ano ko, man. Sorry. Di ako Di ako speedy guy.
Switching
Wala.
sides.
Hey guys, let's go. Let's knock them out. Last three. Parehas to naman even naman Let's go. No more runs for them, ha?
Protect the objective.
3-0. Let's go, boys. 3-0. One throw nade on B.
Right here, dude. I'm watching it.
Watching
Hindi
B.
ko nakita yung lalim, ah.
Sige lang.
Nandito din ako sa second floor eh.
They're playing for picks, bro.
I'm on a good spot right now.
You have my B, right, Karma?
Yeah, I got your whole mid right now.
Okay, so I'll just watch
I don't got...
cave. Nice, Jay. I'm coming. One cave.
One cave.
He's pushing me. I'm moving back.
We're probably both there, dude. Yup. I got him.
Last
One more. Bomb down on me. Bomb down bridge.
Coming,
Bomb down
coming.
bridge on me.
Time. Don't hold back.
I'm coming. Inside bridge. I'm coming inside.
Where I am, I can see the bomb right now, dude.
Oh shit, nakita
Okay,
niya
back to
ako.
back na tayo.
Saglit.
He's mid.
Go
he's
with me,
mid.
go with me.
He's
Ako na
second,
dito,
he's
ako na
second,
dito sa ano.
Yeah, go.
Second, he's going to our spawn, going towards our spawn.
Sige lang.
I should be going towards you then,
Yeah,
Pog.
I'm gonna fuck him up. He goes. No more time.
Sure.
Good job, CDP. Do it again and let's go home.
Kasi nang gumagawa sa kanila, oh. Motherfucking Ibo. Unat di gago, man. Nice. Ayun, oh, may bala pa, oh. Tumitira pa siya, oh. Yes, B-boy.
Switching operation ready point.
Okay. Ask mama to
Yo, I'm doing the wall, right? I'm going wall.
Objective.
Jay, me and you. Let's go, eh?
Go.
Bomb acquired.
Go, Pog.
I'll watch your right, Jay. I'll watch your right.
Got
Nice,
one.
last
I got
two, last
Evo, bro.
Okay. Tayong tatlo. Samahan tayo. Jay, let's go. Let's go. 1, 2. Yeah, I see.
Wala akong nakita.
Wala lang nakita. I'm a clear A. I'm going A. I need backup.
He waved me, dude. He waved me. He's on fucking diner. He's on diner.
He's gone. He's
He
gone.
pushed back. He's pushed back out towards our spawn.
Fuck. Dropping bomb. Fuck it.
Sige, go, Pog. I'll get a trade.
Couldn't use my glitch, man.
Bomb is armed.
Nasa taas si
B-boy,
Jay, ah. Nasa
please,
taas si
wait.
Jay.
Yeah. B-boy. I have eyes on bomb, Jay. I have eyes on bomb. Don't worry about the bomb.
Lay down. Pog, crouch ka, Pog. Pog, crouch ka.
Meron sa
Pog ka.
spawn nila,
Yan,
meron sa spawn
crouch
nila.
ka dyan.
Last guy.
Ah, there you go. 1v2. Stick together now. Stick together, guys.
Wow! Weak! Papunta
Oh
sa second
my
floor, second
God,
floor siya.
you're fucking up, Pog.
No!
Jesus Christ,
Sama
boy.
ng tira, bro.
Nangyari.
You're just off your game, B.
Fuck. Binibigyan din ako ng ano eh. Focus na anak ko eh.
Quit
B-boy.
feeling sorry for yourself.
Daddy,
There's
lost.
more work to do.
Yeah. B-boy. Can you ask mama to open? Sorry, guys. My fault. That was on me, guys. That was on me. God.
Damn.
I already got first
Switching
pick too,
sides.
man. Oh!
Off my game, bro.
I got glitch, man. I'm pushing mid again.
Gusto mo sumakit na sa mid, Karma?
Protect the objectives.
No, I'm just
Pog.
gonna be camping it, dude. Just do your thing over there.
Ah, sige. My fault, boy. I'm gonna make it up.
Wala dito A side, ha? Wala dito A side.
Wala sa B-side and cave. Wala sa cave. Where's that?
Be advised. Hostile HCXD spotted.
Nice.
I got out. I use my glitch. He's what? Push that guy. He's in bed. Damn.
RC middle. RC middle.
Evo's in mid,
Ano
bro.
po
He was
yan?
on snow rocks. He might have went cut. Sa right side ng cut ng yung alley sa rocks. 2v2, man. Stick together. I would just stick together.
Yeah, watch my right, please, Jay. I got this.
I got it.
I don't know if they crossed, huh?
MTL exhausted. End this now.
Evo, one shot, bro. Bottom. Fuck.
Tingin ka lang dyan.
Go. Start pushing me. Start pushing. Come on. Pick that guy.
Okay, last guy.
Last guy on bomb.
Watch out!
He went inside. Psychosis. Pumunta ka sa ilalim. Dyan. No. Where are you going, Pog? You fucking wrap around.
He's one shot too.
He's on couch, dude. He's in mid. I heard something on mid, dude.
5 seconds. Yeah, sige. Go.
Nice!
kumain na ba?
Oh my god, why'd you stop
kumain-
shooting,
oh,
boy?
kumain-
Why would you
Pog.
stop shooting? You're like fucking...
Shit.
Oh my god, Pog.
I stopped fucking shooting.
God.
Oh, he's eating bullet. Another man. Another
tayo
down
mo.
on me.
Switching sides.
Another down on me.
Jesus. Damn it, man. Damn it.
Objective.
Gara. Dalawa na.
We got the
Compose
bomb.
lang. B tayo. B.
Let's go. B. Sniper Jay, kill that sniper.
Hostile
Not there.
HCXD in your AO.
Oh,
He's
shit,
sniping up.
nakita niya
He's
ako.
sniping up. Ingat, ingat. RC. RC left side. Uy!
Got
Sorry.
it.
Sorry.
Fuck.
Pop.
Calm down, man. Calm the fuck down, Repulse.
Jay, I'm pushing with you. I'm coming, Jay. Wait for me. Me and Jay are pushing cave, ah.
One in B stairs. One in B stairs. On stairs right now. He's on
Sniper,
stairs,
Jay,
okay?
statue. Wanna push him at the same time, Jay? One.
Mansion
Two.
stairs, okay? One guy is
Jay,
on mansion
go,
stairs.
He's running. Oh, fuck. Oh, my God.
Where is he? Call it
Top,
out.
satellite.
He's in-
Statue. Stop statue.
Bomb
He's not on
acquired.
statue, man.
Naded me from
Tumakbo na yun,
statue.
tumakbo na yun.
He's fucking smart.
I'm planning bro, plant ako.
We're out of time. Don't hold back.
One mid.
Bomb online.
Please get that.
Two mid. One bunker, one bottom mid.
He glitched back.
Two.
Got one more weak.
Last guy,
Nice.
last guy.
He's
Cave,
here.
last guy, cave.
Fuck off of me, man. Let's go.
Karma.
Do it again.
Go,
and let's go home.
Karma.
Oh, buti na lang na fucking
Love you,
na heat wave
double.
ko yung isa, man.
Yeah, good
Yeah,
shit,
good
Jay.
shit, man.
Love you, Jay.
Nice fucking
Good
help.
job. Good shit. Thank you, guys.
Naka-hit pa sila, oh. The fuck?
Okay, guys.
Extended mission
One
time.
and done. Last round.
We have D, man. Let's go. We have offense.
Let's go.
I'm gonna push mid, dude. I'm gonna push
Samahan,
mid.
samahan
I'm gonna
tayo.
stun the guy with sniping.
I'll fucking I'll peek for you, bro.
Hindi, he's always at the back sniping. Behind the trees.
I don't see him. Oh, he saw me.
Nothing here. Dropping bomb.
Come on, bomb. Fog, watch your back as soon as
ako
you
na sa back.
fucking drop.
The bomb has been planted.
Jay, can you watch that, Jay? Can you watch that?
Yeah,
I'm gonna help him, okay? Okay.
Sabihin ko sa'yo pag nag-cross siya, ah. Kung nag-cross
Okay.
siya papuntang B.
One in the back. By bunker, by mid.
I got you right now.
I'm jumping out.
Oh my god, papunta siya
Push him.
dyan.
Last guy, last two. He flashed me. He's here. Last guy, fuck you.
Nice,
Holy
Paul!
shit.
Turn the fuck up. Let's go.
Fuck you, bitch. Sit your ass down, ho.
Last round. Let's go.
Woo! Pass niya ako. My god, risky move. Buti na katabi mo ako, Jason. Kasi sa'yo siya tumira. Kung sa akin siya tumira, patay
Yeah.
ako doon. Nice.
Shit.
Love you, Jason.
The CDP stands strong.
Sorry guys, kanina. Dami akong
Yeah,
choke.
bro, good shit.
Sorry.
Huwag ka masyado
good,
confident
man.
sa mo, man.
No, dude, you stop shooting. I'm like, what the fuck,
Alam niyo
dude?
bakit? In my opinion, man, I thought he was dead. Pero,
Yeah.
You
Kasi
never stop
masyado tayong
shooting no
confident sa
matter
mo.
what, man.
He
You're
fucking-
playing online. You're not
Especially
playing on
sa 1v1.
LAN, dude.
yeah.
Kung 1v1, wag.
Sa online, sinlakasan lang ng connection sa online, man. You can't stop shooting no matter what.
Hindi na mangyari ulit yun. I'm gonna make sure.
Yeah.
Tatatadin natin ang bala yan. Fuck.
So if you have to pull a whole fucking mag on
Oh,
him, do
oh,
it just to
oh.
kill a person.
1v1 na yun, eh.
Kasi online din to eh. My god, siya pa host. Fuck, dude.
Dalawa sa ano, di ba? Red ay 4 bar kanina.
Yeah.
You
Ano sila?
want me to host?
Yeah, do it, Karma. Ano
Alright.
sila West Coast, man. They're both West Coast.
What's the map? You gotta tell me what's the map.
Okay, let me check. Breach ata, breach.
Breach, really?
Oh, breach.
Fuck. Fuck!
All
Fuck!
good,
Fuck!
all good. Samahan lang tayo, samahan. Jason, samahan lang tayo. I'm coming.
Hey, join me, guys.
What the fuck? They invited?
Wait, I thought they host? You sure they host?
Yeah,
Sigurado tayo yung host?
It's like wagers, I think.
So it's like UMG?
Yeah.
So they host then.
Whoever has the better score host.
Sabi niya?
They're inviting. So sila host. Na kasi naano tayo kanina eh. What was the score first game?
No, it was 5-4, 4-6.
4-6, yeah. So tayo 5-6. So sila host.
Yeah, they host then. Breach. You guys want to switch hosts, dude?
Yeah,
Si Ivo yung host eh.
Tell him. It doesn't hurt.
This guy eats.
Yeah, he fucking eats. Pero he's just gonna switch it to Dalton. Kasi si Dalton, forward din eh.
I don't know, should I do it or no?
Yeah, yeah, do it, do it. Evil man, he can kill both of us. He can turn on us because he's so powerful on the host. Fucking evil.
Turn up, Pog, let's go.
Yeah, yeah.
Fucking go, Jay. Let's go.
Let's go, let's go.
Let's fucking go.
Let's go.
Nag-message siya, no? It's our host, we won 11 total rounds, we won 10, sabi niya.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's why I said CC.
Yeah, CC.
Sabihin ko, change host, ah.
Yeah. And message him.
Ah.
Start using Dart instead, dude. Fuck the Hellstorm.
And, minessage ko na siya. Coach.
Alam nyo, nandito, yung dalawa, pwede natin i-melt, dude. You can win them. But yung isang Evo, I don't know, somehow he gets first shot. Just na replay.
Let me just switch my class then.
Ako rin.
Someone has to put some stunts, dude. Kailangan sa atin, isa sa atin dapat nag-stun, man. I can't just rock stunts all the time. Someone has to make a stunt class.
I'll
Hindi
make
ako
a
magaling sa stun.
I'll make a stun class.
Ayan,
I'll make a
thank you.
stun class, bro.
Thank you.
Then make sure everyone's using tactical mass, okay?
Yeah, I have tactical.
Just in case they
And
stun
blast
back.
suppressor.
Teka lang. Yung isang stun class na meron ako is fucking yung MA. I think I can do this, yeah.
They don't
Ano
use
gusto mo,
nades,
stun
right?
class na
So
ako?
I can use Vesper.
I'll use a stun class.
Use black on this one now, dude.
I got it. I got a stun class.
Okay.
Who's host, Jay?
Okay.
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam eh.
Okay, I'm coming.
Oh, wag muna.
Sige, oh, sige.
Baka nagdadaya sila eh.
Someone has to
Paano
know
mo
who's
alam kung
host.
sino host?
Easy,
Paano
easy,
mo
easy.
alam kung sino host? Ano mo alam? Hindi ko alam.
Let me join
Malaman.
towards you. Let me see. Cause
Parang
okay. Paano ka nakapag-join? Sinong na-join mo? Or did they pull you?
Hindi, in-invite ako ni Evo. Evo boy.
Si Evo host. Evo. Okay, Evo.
Well then if he's him, yeah, it's... Fuck it, man. YOLO.
Bakit? YOLO?
Yeah. Oh, join it. Evo's host, I think.
Hindi nakalagay.
Where are we going? B or A? Or we have defense first. I
Jason.
forgot.
First round, guaranteed. I'm gonna on first. Rush ko na. Only one.
Yeah, I'll push with you. As soon as I spawn, kapag nag-spawn na ako, I'm gonna be pushing with you.
Yeah, straight middle ako straight mid. Nag-choke ako, man. Let's go. Kalimutan ng choke. Let's go. Winning. It's all about clutching now. Clutch time. Wala. Clutch.
Yeah, you ready, Jay?
Yeah.
Switch. Go.
Fuck these niggas in the ass. Let's go, niggas. Vamos, right, Rashan. Let's go, boys. Ooh, Rashan. Roll it.
And up, boys. Let's go.
Oh, let's go. $100 to, man. Jason. $100. Let's go, boy.
I don't care about
100.
the money. I want the
100 bucks?
trophy, boy.
I know.
100 bucks.
I want-
750 yung total eh.
Full price 750. So
Ako
yeah.
trophy eh. Trophy lang din ako gusto ko. I want the trophy.
I want the trophy too. Gusto ko yung gold na trophy.
I
Man.
want the legit trophy.
Ready for deployment.
That's legitness.
Yeah. Alam nyo ba si si Snipes? Bumili lang siya ng account na may mga 10 trophies. Okay lang.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Daya.
Hey guy.
Daya.
Nigga didn't even earn shit.
Ano. Okay.
Search and destroy.
I'm rushing. Straight middle. Towards B, ah. Towards B.
Spawn yet?
Yeah, I spawned. 3, 2, 1.
Protect the objective.
Running right now?
Yeah, I'm running. I'm halfway. I'm in their base. Yeah.
Yo, they're going B. They're going B. Got one. They're going B. One guy in B. Nice.
Last guy. Last guy. Wait. Oh, load ng B room. B room. B room. B room. B room.
Hey, wait inside. Push, go, go, go. He's inside. He's on bomb. On bomb. On bomb.
Flash. Sumakay na bala.
Wow.
Sumakay na bala.
What?
Ano mo, Jay?
Yeah, I put a burst on him too,
my
dude.
God.
I literally put a
What
burst
the
on him
fuck,
too.
bro? Look at this shit, bro.
Sumakay na bala, bro. Ayun, ayaw pa mamatay.
God.
Tsaka lang namatay.
Yeah, I was right behind you. I put like
That
one
is
one bullet on
fucking
him.
gay.
He's
Bro,
got cheats,
that's
bro. He's
fucking
got
gay.
cheats. May cheats si Gago.
Gay boy yan, bro. That's fucking gay boy right there, man.
Yo, we're going B up, okay?
Come on. B.
Yeah, I got a sniper. Gemma, do the same shit. The top patty thingy.
Jay, me and you.
Oh my God, Pogue, you almost dropped me. Watch the flank, guys.
Yung tumitingin ng
One
flank,
shot,
wala.
one shot. Dropping bomb. Dropping bomb. Watch
Go,
me.
go,
watch
go,
me.
go. I got
Just
you. I
watch
got
me.
you. I got you.
Dropping
I got
bomb.
you. I got you. I'm right here. I'm right here.
I'm a head glitch bomb. I'm a head glitch bomb.
Weak. He's weak. Bottom.
One more,
Nice.
one more, one more.
Bottom.
This is up, dead.
Push
Fuck
in.
you.
Nice. Let's go.
CDP.
Fuck
Let's
you, bitch.
go.
Let's
go,
go
boys.
home.
Let's go,
Good
niggas.
bug, good shit, bug.
Let's go, boys.
Let's go, boys.
Switching sides.
Let's go, Pog. Good shit, Pog.
Let's end their dreams. Let's go. Ano? B? Tayong tatlo, B?
I'm going mid.
I
I'm
have
going
RC.
mid.
I have RC. Okay, I'm gonna push yung middle. I'm gonna push yung middle. Sige.
One mid. One mid behind the AC. One mid at your left, Pog.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Your left, behind you,
Dalawa,
Pog.
dalawa.
Ano, sa back
Dalawa,
B, meron
dalawa
B,
sa
meron
backside B.
back
Dalawa sa backside B. Where's that, Karma?
What? Sa AC lang. Sa AC to your left. AC to your left. He's weak. Push him.
Yeah, he's dead.
Nice.
I'm backing up.
Still watching B, bro. Still watching B.
Yeah, dalawa sila. It was a B push. One mid AC, dead.
I got the guy AC. I got him. Last guy.
Last guy was their B side. Sige, nakatago lang ako. I
I'm
got the whole
watching
mid.
A right now.
I'm watching the whole mid.
I'm watching B, bro.
I'm pushing back. Top broken right now, just in case.
Approaching PONR. Finish this.
I got the A cross right now too. I'm watching it.
Yeah, I'm middle. Nakaupo lang ako sa gilid ng middle. He's middle. One shot, ultimate, one shot, middle, going A bomb.
I'm not pushing him.
Sige. There you go.
Got him.
Crushed them. Maintain your momentum. in
Dapat
the
di na ako
next round.
nagpapatay dun eh. I had streaks, bro. My God, sorry.
Ilan na lang kills? 2 kills away?
Yeah, 1 or 2.
Damn.
Sayang.
Ano ako namatay? Sa corner?
Ako na.
Switching operation ready point.
Patayin ako sa kanan. Let's go, boys. Okay.
I got an RC.
Jay?
Let's go B again.
Let's go B. Okay. I'll have bomb.
Eliminate the objective.
Protect me na lang ha, pag nag-plant ako. Sorry kanina.
Don't push it yet, Pog. Don't push it yet.
Sige. Jay?
Wala.
Okay.
Alright, ayan.
He's in a corner. Corner with the bomb. Corner with the bomb. Dropping.
I got
Jay.
flank. I got flank for now. Jay, I got flank. Jay, I got flank.
Okay.
Dito lang ako, Jay, ah.
Active.
Wala sa harap.
Watch out. Just watch that.
Don't get nade, okay? Don't get
I got
naded.
your-
One flank.
flank.
One flank. Weak.
Oh,
Weak.
two flank,
Weak.
two
Evo.
flank.
Weak. He's a AR.
I got this door. Jay.
Okay, go.
Dead.
Both flank, okay?
Last guy. Inside. He
He's
went
inside.
out.
He has a sniper. To your left. AC unit. Stay alive. Playtime. Nice.
Nice, Jay. Love you.
So check bomb again. Good fucking shit, man.
Love you, Jay.
Good fucking play, Jay. Good
So
fucking
smart.
play. Good shit.
Saludo ako sa'yo, Jay. Thank you. Woo! That was so close. Woo! I gotta learn how to play like that. Yun ang kailangan ko laruin, man. March.
Mag-patient lang. Kailangan maging patient.
Hindi, running ako. Pili ko. Bakit?
Go, boys. 4-0, nigga. Let's go.
Last
Paul,
two.
go to A.
Oh, sige.
Paul, go to A.
Yari sa akin sa A. Go.
Defend the objective.
Pag mag-A sila. Wala ko A, ah. Passive.
Ilang.
Nagagaga ko.
Playtime, Jay. Tago muna habang nag-ka. Nothing A. Oh, 1A, 2A. One more A.
He's inside.
Pushing me. Last guy A. He's
Nice,
inside
last
A.
guy.
Inside A room. Literally inside A
I'm
room.
watching AC units.
Ayun,
Don't push,
nasa
don't push,
corner.
don't push.
Bumalik siya. Corner siya.
Arma si Ibo yan.
Pupunta
Ah.
sa spawn niya.
Yeah, si fucking Ibo yan. Ah.
Spawn niya.
Pog 6 together, Pog.
Okay, I'm coming to you.
You got RC, ah.
Ah.
Check B.
Back to back.
Back to back.
Back to back.
I'm coming to you.
We're out of time. Don't hold back.
I'm gonna check this side.
Samahan mo si ano. Sabahan mo si...
He's inside. He's to the right. Nice.
Let's go.
Oh,
Nice.
shit. Good.
Kumain ba ng bala?
Let's go home.
Hi, Christian. Fuck, ang bilis ng reflex ni Gago, dude. Nice.
One more fucking round, boys. Let's go.
Ooh, Jay, son, love you guys. Good shit.
Go, you guys want to go A this time? We've been going to B. I know. What do you guys feel? A or B?
I feel like
A.
B. Okay.
Jay, yeah. Maiba naman.
Clear the objective.
They know. They're gonna expect us. Bago tayo. Oh, sure, rush muna natin mid. Para ma-awkward.
No.
Go. I got your mid. Nobody's at mid.
Game
I'm
mid.
Wala
Kayo,
plant. Dropping.
rotating na. You go.
Oh, he's pushing me. Middle. One middle AC. In our flank.
Oh, go. Push B. Tara.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now.
Oh, and this is corner.
No, I didn't see that guy. He's weak. Nice, 1v1.
Damn, ang ganda
1v1, Jay. Hey, Pog, 1v1. You got this. Let's go.
Hanapin ko na lang siya.
No.
It's
play
Dalton,
smart,
bro. It's
play
Dalton. Play smart. Yeah, it's Dalton.
I don't have blast
You
suppressor.
have a lot of time.
Nakikita niya ako sa
smart.
B.
Don't double jump. Don't double jump.
Yeah, don't double jump.
Hindi ko ako
Run
sa'yo.
around,
Hindi ko
run
na-
around.
Yeah. Let me check top.
Hindi. Ay, dyan ka lang. Hintayin mo yung 20 seconds tapos punta ka A.
No, check mid.
Approaching PON.
Man.
Finish.
Watch the AC. Watch the AC.
Hindi, drop na ako.
Oh, hey, do your thing. Go.
Mamaya.
Masarap akong generator, di ba?
Go.
Hindi niya
Dyan. Go. Yan.
What the?
Good mo, see? Sabi ko na
that
eh.
fucking timing, bro. Nakita mo yung timing na yan?
I think he was in a corner.
Rinig din ako.
Hindi, papunta na siya dyan.
Yeah, see?
my
Told
Lord,
you he was
look
in
at
a
that
corner.
shit, bro.
Rinig din
Okay,
ako.
knew it.
Okay, let's GG this shit. Let's go, boys.
Damn, that fucking...
Only
that's
last
fucking-
round, last round.
man. Naghintay, man.
Switching operation ready point.
Jay. This
Oh.
on.
I'm down. Relax. Chill, dude.
Last 3, rush.
I'm going B. I'm
They're
going
not gonna
mid,
expect
man.
it. Oh, sige. Rush, mid. Jay. Ay, tatlo.
Alright, go.
I'm getting B. I'm getting
Oh,
B.
sige.
Alright, let's go, Pog. Me and you.
I'm gonna check top. Nothing.
One more. I think one guy pushed.
Ano? Oh,
Nothing.
dun sila. B. It's a B. It's a long B push.
One shot. Fuck.
I got your mid. Don't go.
I'm inside their base.
Dalawa B.
Sige, I'm coming, I'm coming.
They're inside B right now. They planning.
No.
fuck, nasa-
Dalawa, tatlo sila.
likod,
Tatlo
likod.
sila B.
Tatlo,
Tatlo
B, tatlo B.
sila.
May isa nagno-node ng flank. One push, Jay.
Push two. He's
Yeah.
in bottom.
He's in bottom.
Bomb has been planted.
Oh my god, he's watching. He's up top of you, above you.
Last two,
Nice!
Jay. One more on bomb.
How the fuck did you get a double?
I thought I got a double
Ay, no,
kill,
last
bro.
Yeah, you got me, I think. You went up, you went inside.
Nice try, nice try.
Nice try,
Oh,
nice try.
katabi ko lang.
Let's end the shit. Let's end the shit.
Uy,
niggas.
sino pinatay ko? Kala ko dalawa pinatay ko, man.
I
Nakita
think
ko
you
nga.
got me, bro. Yeah,
really?
Kill feed said you got. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure. Pero nakita
I know I got 2
dalawa.
kills.
Yeah, it said kill feed too. Nakita mo, di ba? Parehas yung
Oh,
name
yeah.
gamer tag Evo.
Oh.
Yeah, so I said 1v1.
Switching
And I'm like, what?
Okay, guys. Let's end it.
That was probably a
No more comeback.
glitch. OB.
No,
B.
no.
I got an RC, man.
Neutralize the objective.
I got bomb.
Got an RC and a
Oh, sorry,
glitch.
Jay. I got it.
Bomb acquired.
Hindi, okay lang. I need 2 more kills para
Watch
may
flank,
ano,
boys.
no?
Okay, watch flank.
Yeah.
Wag mo muna yung push yan, Pog.
Oh, yeah. I'm waiting
Go,
for
go, 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 go. Meron dyan, ha?
Jay! Jay!
Oh,
Don't
he's
push it.
two.
He's fucking
I told you,
stunned, bro.
dude. I told
He
you.
was stunned. He was stunned.
Alright, calm down. Let's play.
Okay. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Guys. Ganito na lang.
Ah,
Dapat-
yun yung na-stun ko.
I think we should,
Already pre-aiming.
ano,
the whole
passive.
time.
They're playing hardest as they can.
They're not gonna win, bro. Hindi sila
Nagsasamahan
mananalo,
sila.
bro.
No, guys, we gotta end it.
Yeah, you're one bar,
Parang
Jay.
parang
You never know.
Hey, let's end it here, bro. Let's end it here. We have offense, right? No, we have defense.
Ano,
I'm
passive
using
na lang,
my
ganyan
RC,
lang
I'm
ako,
using
ganyan
my
lang ako.
RC.
Passive.
Protect
Go.
the objective.
Passive,
Yeah.
passive
Do your
play,
thing.
passive play. That's all we need.
Passive.
Passive
Use my
play.
RC.
HCXD deployed.
Pushing it mid, okay?
I have A.
Yo, two mid,
Two mid.
bro, two mid.
Going where?
I got, wow, they're mid.
Gila,
They're in the
gila.
wall climb, bottom wall climb.
Let him.
One already pushed in. One shot. Prue, he's in the corner, left corner mo, mid.
I'm an A.
He's in, nasa na siya, man, patio, bottom patio.
Likod,
Ano?
likod!
Yun, no?
Last guy.
Nice, last guy. Stick together.
Yeah, he was bottom there, ano ah.
He was bottom in their spawn.
Baka umikot na yan ah. Teka. Let me check.
Charge is set.
Jay,
You got it.
Tayong dalawa.
Push together.
Jay,
Go,
he's
push
in the other
tayo.
side.
Push,
Okay,
push,
let's go. I'm gonna check inside room. I'm gonna defuse, Jay.
Okay, go.
He's shooting me. On bomb. Inside.
He's inside. Inside. Nice, let's go. Fucking shit, man. Yeah, you better end that, Evo, bitch.
Evo,
Let's
you
go.
fucking
Good
bitch.
shit.
Fucking Evo, shit, you
Fucking
ass down, bitch.
warrior ass
Fucking
motherfucker,
warrior
man.
cheating ass motherfucker. You motherfucker get back, bitch. Fuck you.
Kid's a warrior, bro. Good fucking
Daddy
shit,
won,
Jay.
boy.
Let's go.
Woo.
Yeah, let's go.
Daddy won. Daddy round 2.
Second round, boy. Let's go.
Second round.
Let's go. Second
Let's
round.
go, boys.
Ang hirap naman itong mga to.
Oh shit, dog.
Yeah,
Block pa eh.
Oh,
What the fuck?
Oh. I got, to tell the truth, I got scared, dude, just a little bit.
Competitive.
I thought they were about to come back from a 5-0. I'm
Ako
like,
rin, eh.
don't do this now.
Alam mo, Karma, all we gotta do with that 5-1, all we gotta do is rush mid. Pag nagulat sila, GG, di ba? O hindi.
Alright.
O hindi.
Damn,
Di ba?
nagtataka
We
talaga
can
ako.
try. We have a
pinatay ko kanina, man.
We're up by how many? Yeah,
I
nakita ko na yung
fucking
kill
killed
feed,
two.
man. Naka-headshot ka 2 beses.
Oh, sabi ko, what the fuck? Tapos dalawa pa natitira.
Winner.